This question is based on projectiles on an inclined plane. You can see some commonly required formulas under this concept. For example, the general formula for the range, maximum range formula, and also the corresponding angle of projection, etc. you can see. Now, if you want proof for this, you refer to textbooks or your class notebooks. But as far as IIT is concerned, proof is not important as proof. Rather than the proof is the application of the formula that is more important. Okay. Now also take note that we have quoted the formula in terms of angle theta, that is angle of projection, with respect to the inclined plane. But some textbooks may give the formula taking the angle of projection with respect to the horizontal. So in which case you have to modify the formulas given in this note by replacing theta by the given theta in that other application. The given theta, you add theta plus or minus alpha. Plus alpha for downward projectile, minus alpha in the case of upward projectile. That is, wherever you see theta in our formula, you replace it to theta plus or minus alpha. So before you use the formula, you check what is the definition given for angle of projection, whether it's with respect to horizontal or with respect to the plane in the question. Then you proceed accordingly. Thank you.